Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. £7,995 Freelander to 2.2 TD4 GS 4-wheel drive manual stop-start. Okay, this is a two-owner vehicle, covered a total of 96,000 miles, has had the cam belt replaced at 71,000 miles, has 7 services, 2 keys. So, Fuji white, black leather, 2013 7995. 7 services, cam belt replaced at 71, 2 keys, 2 owners, and beautiful. Now, for a GS, I would say they're upgraded wheels. Got rear park sensors, privacy glass, got a Witter removable tow bar with the keys. It's in the boot, it looks like it's never been used, the swan neck. So Goodyear Wrangler tyre there on a 19-inch wheel, got fitted mud flaps. Another Goodyear Wrangler 19-inch wheel, brand new disc and pads on the front. Lovely condition this. Super clean inside and out, drives beautifully. So black leather heated seats, manual, armrests, cruise control, voice control, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, Bluetooth that you can play your music through as well as use as a phone. Electric windows, electric mirrors, front fogs, headlamp washers. Lovely car in super condition, really is. Oh, I'll open that in a second. I'll show you in the boot in a minute. Paintwork, outstanding. Absolutely beautiful example. Wheels, unmarked as well. Daytime LED lights in the headlamps. As I say, headlamp washers, front fog lamps, folding mirrors, electric mirrors, voice control, cruise control, 96,000 miles, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, music playback for your Bluetooth for your phone. If we just stop that, we can open the boot. £7,995, super clean. There you go, not had a dog in it or anything. Really genuinely lovely and clean. There is the Witter tow bar with keys. Looks like it's had little use. Very, very nice example. Looks really fresh, drives beautifully. So 7,995, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other Freelanders in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people to know about it. So if you could, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.